Today we will be doing a step-by-step install guide for the 2003 to 2006 Porsche Cayenne black projector headlights. Step 1. Remove headlight. Pop open the hood first and you'll be able to see a plastic trim piece cover like this located near the corner of the headlight. Remove the cover and set it to the side for now. You can now grab your headlight removal tool that should have been included with your vehicle. Insert the tool and begin to twist counterclockwise to pop the headlight out. The headlight should gradually slide out as shown. Once it stops sliding out, you can now fully remove it just by pulling it out. Step 2. Transfer bulb and ballast. Begin removing the OEM ballast by unscrewing 6 T15 Torx screws. Use a flathead to pry the ballast off the headlight housing. Be sure to pry on each side and corner to properly remove the ballast. Now disconnect the wires connected to fully remove the ballast from the headlight. Begin removing the rear housing cover in order to get to your bulb and auto leveling motor. Remove your bulb as shown. Now begin to remove the rear cover from the new headlight. You will need to remove 6 Phillips screws to properly get the rear cover off. Once you finish removing the screws, move the cover to the side in order to transfer in your original headlight bulb. Make sure you route the bulb connection to the ballast hole on the bottom of the headlight. Step 3. Transfer auto level motor. Begin to remove the auto level motor from the original headlight by removing 2 T15 Torx screws holding down the motor. Disconnect the motor and set it to the side. The new headlight has a manual level adjuster that will need to be replaced by the auto level motor we just removed from the original headlight. The manual adjuster has 2 Phillips screws that will need to be removed to pull out the adjuster. Now that the adjuster is out, you will need to remove the mounting bracket from it and swap it to the auto level motor as shown. Begin to install the auto level motor into the new headlight by connecting the connector and screwing in the 2 Phillips screws to properly hold it in place. Finally, you can begin to screw in the rear cover. Flip the light over to mount the ballast. Start connecting both wires. And please make sure to also replace the old gasket with the provided new gasket. This will assure a proper seal. Screw in the remaining 6 screws to finally finish transferring all the components. Step 4. Install headlight. Slide in the headlight and begin to push it in while turning the tool clockwise. You will feel some resistance, but if you keep turning the tool, you will feel when the headlight gets locked into place. Repeat these steps for the opposite side to finish the install.